Today I'm going to be checking out this bubble tent that was sent to me by VEVOR so I can do the review. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box, see everything that it comes with, and get it all put together. All right, so out of the box, you've got the tent here. You've got these sticks to put the tent together, stakes, some string. You've got a carrying bag here. Then you have 2 drawstring bags and a manual. So I'm going to start putting this thing together so we can see what it looks like. First thing you want to do is get these 2 sticks and get them all put together so that they can be ready to put inside the tent. Then once you have the sticks put together, I mean they practically put themselves together, then you're going to want to get the tent unrolled and kind of pulled out, because we're going to put those sticks in these little loop pieces here just like you would do a regular tent. Once you get the sticks through the top, then you just push the edges of them down here in the bottom. There's some loops and you got a tent. It's really easy to put together. Probably easier with 2 people, but I did it with 1, just me, and I didn't have much problem at all. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this door in the front. So it is a little windy today, which actually would make one of these things perfect, but it's moving a little. So I don't have the strings attached up here. I only have 4 of the little pegs put in on the corners just to hold it in place. But if you had a really windy day, you definitely would want to put the strings up here in the corners and pull them down so that way it's nice and sturdy no matter how windy it is. But I got the front door open, and it's really nice because you can just walk right in. So it has this back window here that opens from the outside by just pulling this Velcro, and that also can roll up. And the point of this is you would put it up where maybe it's a chilly day and you're getting some wind. You want the heat, so it's clear. You've got kind of the greenhouse effect going on. The heat comes in, doesn't blow away because it's, you know, breaking the wind from you. And you can see 365 degrees. So no matter what's going on, you can see. So if you are at your child's sporting event, you know, anything like that, maybe a family event at the park, you can see everybody. You can still do everything you need to do, and now the wind is blocked and it's actually nice and comfy in here. It also has this little lip around the bottom here where you could put like sandbags. It does come with 2 drawstring bags. You could put those as sandbags here, or you could hook them to these ropes that are in here that let you tie it down and stabilize it also. And there it is. It came down really easy, actually easier than putting it up. It will fit in this bag, but I didn't roll it really tight when I was putting it back in there. So I'm actually gonna just press down on it, you know, pretty good to get the zipper to close, but it does all fit back into the bag. But you know, like anything like this, it's gonna take a little work to roll it up and get it nice and compact so it zips up well. But yeah, I really like it. I think it's going to work great for sporting events, and when we go to, you know, football and soccer games for my nephews and nieces, it's going to be great. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.